All right, so I'm at Penoy, Lutang, Penoy in San Leandro, California. I'm checking out this spot here because I'm most interested in trying the Filipino national dish, adobo. With that said, let's get right to the video right now. Hi.
I think for the chicken adobo, garlic fried rice.
You think garlic fried rice? Penoy, it's a Filipino word for a buddy, a close friend who bonds like a brother. So that's the name of the shop as far as its meaning. This restaurant has a number of like accolades, certificates, awards, 2018 to 2021. So definitely has its credentials, especially to try some of that national dish of the Philippines. Is this a picture of you guys?
Yeah, that's my dad serving.
Oh, and you guys are on a list.
Yeah.
But they had your picture, you guys' picture on there, huh? That's cool. Look at all these Filipino spots right here. I can tell you that I've been to 4 of these places. Yeah, so they got a spot in the newspaper, and they have a picture of Paraguay on the front, and then you have a bunch of the 10 Filipino spots to try in the East Bay. So you definitely smell like the fumes coming from the chicken adobo. It really has this like aromatic, vinegary, garlicky, and onions, and then that chicken soy sauce on top. Soy sauce? Okay, yeah. It smells delicious. I'm excited to try. National dish of the Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah. Salamat po. It's good. Yeah, it's good. That's garlic rice?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. The food has arrived, the chicken adobo. And if I didn't mention it, I probably mentioned it multiple times already, but the Filipino national dish. Let's get right into it. It looks amazing, smells amazing. Let's get a thumbnail. You really smell those, the fragrant and the aroma of the chicken adobo is just penetrating my nostrils. You have, I believe those are garlic shards, maybe garlic pieces. That presentation just looks amazing, but we're gonna have to just dig right in. And they have this nice little ladle here, this spoon, very aesthetic wise. It looks great with this bowl of chicken adobo. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that ladle in there, and we're just gonna maybe we'll try it first by itself. So I'll get a piece of the chicken, scoop that, and quickly just wanna hydrate that just a little bit. You know, you have some shallots or some green onions on here. So I'm just gonna hydrate that piece just a little bit. It just came fresh out and she had prepared it in the kitchen. But we're gonna take a bite of the chicken adobo. All right, by itself, here you go, bite. Oh, oh yeah, that chicken just mopped up that sauce. That vinegar, that garlic, the soy, the onions, that blend is just fantastic. With the garlic shards, the crispy garlic, that's perfect with it. But what really sticks out is that penetrating, for me, it's that vinegar. Really, the essence of vinegar and the chicken adobo is what sticks out. Those ingredients are just embedded in that chicken, mingled together just perfectly to give you a fine Filipino national dish. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this over our rice. Let's do that. And I picked up garlic rice is our rice of choice today. Just put some of the chicken adobo on top. I'll get a nice chunky piece as well, just like that. And then why not just juice it up a little bit with that sauce, that much needed sauce on the rice. All right, add some greenery on there too. The green onions. Okay, now we're gonna break into that rice. Oh, by the way, they also gave me some jalapeños. Definitely want to try the jalapeños with this dish here. It's gonna be amazing, but first we're gonna go ahead and do it. Garlic rice and chicken first. Okay, scoop it, mop it. Yeah, let's get a good ratio on there. Another piece of chicken, slab of chicken on top. Okay, I think that's the bite right there. Oh, it's a big bite. Here we go, bite. Woo. The heat from the garlic rice, oh, that's hot. But that sauce addition, that chicken adobo, is just fantastic with the garlic rice, with any rice at that. Each grain just dressed with that sauce, and that chicken is fantastic. Yeah, I love it. I love the tenderness, the sauce. Again, that vinegar really makes the dish for sure. Kind of makes the adobo. The vinegar, the garlic, the onions, and you want to have a nice bed of rice to go along with that chicken adobo. Okay, I think the next thing we're gonna do is try it with that, try the jalapenos with this dish. Few jalapenos. Okay. And maybe rehydrate this bite here. Use the mini silver spatula just on top of that rice. Okay, let me do it again. Yeah. That should do it right there. The bay leaf, I'm gonna take that off because you're not really, bay leaf is really just something to give it some more flavor, the spice wise. Let's take that bite with the jalapenos. Bite. Oh. To be honest with you, I don't think I've ever had my adobo with jalapenos, but that is something that I'm probably gonna do from now on. Those jalapenos are just delicious. I love the texture. Couples perfectly with this chicken adobo and that rice. You get a little bit of heat from the jalapenos, just a slight heat, not very much. I love that texture. I love that spice. Man, that is yummy. I gotta go again. We're gonna add a little bit more jalapenos to this as well. And let's do that move. Let's just reduce a little more. Okay. Okay, here's our next bite. Bite. Oh wow. That just brings it together. That is ultimate. This chicken adobo is just fantastic. I mean, there's a reason why they call this the Philippines national dish. It is so good. It represents Filipino culture in an iconic way. And there's no better dish to represent the Philippines than adobo. Like when you think about Filipino food, immediately, almost 100% of people think of adobo. Let's take a bite of that chunky piece of meat. I'm gonna use this ladle and just bite that chicken. Bite. Oh, that was yummy. Okay, I said I would chase, so grab some rice. Let's just chase it with that bite. Bite. That is just yummy beyond words, man. If you haven't had this yet, try the chicken adobo. If you're in the Bay Area, stop by Penoy, Lutang, Penoy, and try their chicken adobo and other dishes too, but that is just spectacular. That spoon and the pot here, that's actually served it. This is called a kawali. Plate size to eat off of. Kawali. I dig it, I dig it. All right, that's about it. Also check out a few videos, just peruse and browse my content and enjoy that bite life. Later.